Hello, good evening. Good to have you again. Welcome back to Mr. Isaac's math class. If this is your first time of um, joining us, kindly subscribe so that anytime I release new videos, you will be the first to be notified. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to discuss common factors of whole numbers. Remember that for a while we've been discussing factors of whole numbers. And today we want to talk about common factors of whole numbers. So this one says find the common factors. Find the factors common to each of the following set of whole numbers. And the first set of whole numbers we have 12 and 18. The second set we have 24 and 36. And the third set we have 45, 63, and 81. So let's get to business. So first we have 12 and 18. We want to find the factors of 12 who are also factors of 18. So pretty straightforward. We'll find the factors of 12, we'll find the factors of 18, and then we'll now check what factors of 12 are in 18 and what factors of 18 are in 12. Those will now become the common factors. So let's start with 12. So factors of 12 are, can you remember the factors of 12? We said they are 1, 2 is one of them. Yes, 3 is a factor of 12 because 4 threes make 12. So 3 is there and 4 is there because 3 fours is 12. 5 is not there because 1 5 is 5, 2 fives is 10, 3 fives is more than 12. So 5 is not there. 6 is there and 12 itself. Then factors of 18 are, we have 1, 2, 3. Don't be tempted. 4 is not there. 5 is not there. 6, 9, and 18. These are the factors of 18. Now, what we need to check is this. What factors can we see here and here? Now, look at it. There's 1 here and there's 1 here. Can you see that? There's 2 here. There's 2 here. Can you see that? There's 3 here. There's 3 here. There is 6 here. And there is 6 here. So this means that common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Very beautiful. Awesome. All right. So it is that simple. I guess you can even do the other ones already. Let's check 24 and 36. Okay. So let's go back. Factors of 24 are, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, remember, all the factors of 12 are also factors of 24, okay? Because 12 itself is a factor of 24. So all the factors of 12 are factors of 24. So 4, 6, remember, 12, and 24. And then factors of 36 are, factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, sorry, there is 4 here. 4 is a factor of because 4 nines is 36. Okay, so 4 is a factor of 36. Okay, then after that we have 6. 6 is 36. Then 7 is not, 8 is not, 9 is, 12, 18, and 36. Great. So we see that. Let's now look at what is common. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 6, 12. These are common factors. So we'll now say common factors of 24 and 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. This is great, isn't it? Very, very great. Okay. So lastly, let's look at the common factors of 45, 63, and 81. Wow, there are 3 numbers here. It's impossible. Nothing is different, okay? We can easily find them. Just find factors of 45. Factors of 45 are 1 must always be there. Is 3 a factor of 45? Yes, 3 in 15 places is 45. So 3 is, 4 is not. 5 is, from the test of divisibility. Remember, 5 is a factor of 45. 6 is not. 7 is not. 8 is not. 9 is, because 5 nines is 45. Okay, so 9 is, remember we said that 3 15s is 15 threes rather is 45. So 15 is also a factor of 45. Okay, and 45 itself. These are the factors of 45. So let's check factors of 63 are, okay, 1 is definitely a factor of 63. Is 2 a factor of 63? No way. From our test of divisibility, in the other video, we talked about test of divisibility. We know that 2 is not a factor of 63. But what about 3? Yeah, 3 is. Because by the test of divisibility, 3 is. 4 is not. 5 is not. We know all of that from the test of divisibility. So if you have not watched the video on test of divisibility, I encourage you to watch that video because it has so much to help you so much here. Okay, 6. 6 is 6 a factor of 63? No way. Remember we said from our test of divisibility that a number has to be divisible by 6 only if that number is even. So 63 is not even, it's not, it cannot be divided by 6. Therefore 6 is not. 7 is not, 8 is not, and 9 is 9. Yes. Sorry, 7 is because 7 in 9 places is 63, and then 9 in 7 places is 63. So 7 is, 9 is. Then what else? Remember 3 in 21 places. All right, so 21 in 3 places, 21 is. 21 is a factor of 63, and then 63 itself. These are the factors of 63, okay? Factors of 81 are 1, as always, 1 is always there. 2, no way. 2 cannot be because 81 is an odd number. So 81 can never be a factor of, so 2 can never be a factor of 81. You can never divide 81. 3, Yes, 3 can, because 81, 8 plus 1 is 9, and that um, tells us that the test of divisibility for 3 works for 81. So 81, 3 is a factor of 81. Since 2 is not a factor, 4 can never be, all right? 5 is not, because the number doesn't end with 0, it doesn't end with 5. So 5 is not a factor of 81. 6 is not a factor of 81. Why? Because 81 is not even. So 6 can never go into it. What about 7? No way. 7 will not go. 8 will not go. 9, because 9 nines is 81. All right. So 9 nines is 81. That's great. So what about 10? No. 11? No. 12? You can keep checking. You discover that all these numbers cannot go into 81. They are not factors of 81. But what about 20 all the way to 27? Yes, 27 is a factor of 81. And then you will not find it, it will be surprising to note that you will not find any other factor of 81. Even 29 is not, 30 something is not. You will not find another one until you reach 81 itself. Yeah, 81 has a funny way of behaving anyway. So this means common factors, common factors of 45, 63, and 81 are, they are, so we have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. They must be in the 3 places, okay? We have 3 here, 3 here, we have 3 here, okay? There's 5 here, but there's no 5 here, and there's no 5 here. There is 9 here, there is 9 here, and there's also 9 here. So what does that mean? The common factors of 45, 63, and 81 are 1, 3, and 9. These are the common factors of 63. So you see how quite easy it is to get common factors of a number. So what you're going to do for me is this. You're going to do an assignment for me. Okay. You'll do this assignment for me. It says find the common factors of the following. Find the common factors of the following. 1, 45, and 65. 3, we have 20 and 30. Okay. And then finally, 3, find the common factors of 42 and 66. Yep. So that's your homework. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe so that next time when I release another video, you will be the first to be notified.